We started this Helsinki day tour near the waterfront. The city felt calm, open, and bright, with the sea and old buildings around us. Our guide was explaining the area and showing us where we were walking next. This part of Helsinki felt relaxed, even though we were still close to the city center.
So the first part, when we were under the rule of Sweden.
From the streets, we could already see one of the most beautiful landmarks ahead. Helsinki has this nice mix of daily city life and historic buildings standing side by side.
Buildings which they can see is the Russian Orthodox Church and the Lutheran Cathedral.
Then we walked toward the red brick cathedral area. The building stood above the street, and the colors looked very strong against the blue sky.
There are two official languages in Finland, Finnish and...
Before going inside, there were signs for visitors. It felt like a quiet place, so we slowed down and followed the rules respectfully. Inside, the atmosphere changed completely. The gold details, the icons, and the chandeliers made the space feel peaceful and very different from the street outside.
Really quite a different scenes.
Our guide was explaining some of the background, while we looked around at the artwork and the architecture. Every corner had some small detail to notice. This was one of those moments where the video does not need too much talking. The building itself already tells part of the story. After the visit, we continued walking through Helsinki. The streets were clean and quiet, and the city felt easy to explore on foot.
The drivers can see you better in the darkness. So usually I say to my tourists that if you want to understand that the person is local, only about coffee. So usually
Even simple street scenes felt interesting, because this was our first time seeing the rhythm of daily life here.
So we can have the takeaway coffee.
yeah, so cinnamon bun, of course, as I said.
We also stopped inside a small shop. These little stops are part of the travel memory too, not only the big landmarks.
So as I said, everybody's equal in Finland. Yeah, so that's why.
Yeah.
We ended this part of the day with a small cafe-style stop and another quiet walk. It was a gentle first look at Helsinki.
Yes.
Everybody's equal. Dogs and cats are also equal. They have lots of rights here. Please look.